What happens when we populate a digital world with thousands of agents who don't just follow rules, but actually read, reason, and gossip? This isn't science fiction, it is the emerging reality of placing cognitive architectures inside simulated societies. For decades, we modeled society using explicitly handcrafted rules in agent-based modeling, or ABMen. Now we are shifting toward agents empowered with human-like reasoning and language capabilities, known as large language models. In this new paradigm, agents represent more than just moving dots. They are enriched with cognition. They navigate complex physical or social environments using natural language to process context, moving beyond the limits of simple mathematical heuristics. The real magic happens in the aggregate, where individual micro-decisions create emergent macro-level phenomena. Things like the formation of echo chambers or the diffusion of norms emerge naturally, feeding back to shape the environment for everyone else. Under the hood, these agents operate on a structured loop of memory, persona attributes, and decision-making queries. They produce actions based on their internal state and the external context provided by the simulation, often outputting structured reasoning triplets. To keep this organized at scale, a game master component validates actions and manages the global state. This architecture supports tens of thousands of agents running in parallel, often distributed across multi-GPU setups to handle the massive compute load. Now that we understand the machinery, let's look at what we can actually discover with it. Researchers use these models to test social media reforms like chronological feeds. Surprisingly, they found that even with these interventions, polarization often persists due to deep structural feedback loops between reactive engagement and network growth. Beyond social media, we can create digital twins of society to test major policies. Experiments simulating universal basic income or disaster response have yielded outcomes that closely mirror empirical data, offering a low-risk sandbox for governance. However, realism comes at a cost. We face an uncanny valley where highly expressive agents obscure the underlying causal mechanisms, making it harder to extract clear theoretical insights compared to simpler, more abstract models. Looking ahead, the field is moving toward hybrid approaches that combine narrative richness with abstract modeling. This enables virtual fieldwork, where we can rigorously benchmark socio-technical interventions before they ever touch the real world. To learn more, head to emergentmind.com.